Jason here, California Flooring Service. We're here in Irvine, California to be installing Bostik's roll coat. We're going to be putting it over this concrete substrate for this customer who's going to be installing their own luxury vinyl flooring. He has hired us to come in and grind the substrate and then roll on this moisture mitigation system. We've already ground down the concrete everywhere. We're going to paint the cracks individually, take care of those. We're going to go one direction in this whole house, and then we'll wait 30 minutes and we'll go the other direction in the whole house. That's going to give us the exact coverage that we want. TDS, technical data sheet from Bostik on this. They want 8 mils wet thickness gauge. So what we'll do is we'll test that with the wet thickness gauge as I go. So 8 mils per coat wet, 4 mils per coat dry, okay? But we're just gonna be checking wetness. Okay, let's get started.